Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be meeting up with a local rider and we're going to be heading out to Bragg Creek. Finally going to get out there and test out my suspension. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it, man. You know, nothing crazy or anything, but at least I'll get to go off-road and see how the bike really handles. So let's get going, guys. Alright guys, we're getting close now. Just heading to the staging area and then gonna prepare for off-road, man. All right guys, so we arrived at the trails. We have no idea where they take us, but we're gonna go in and we're gonna explore a bit and see where we end up, man. If it gets too sketchy for us, then we'll head out and we'll hit some other trails. All right guys, we're off, man. I'm gonna hit the trails. Let's go. Yeah. Hey guys. What's the tracks like down there? Is it pretty hardcore or what?
No.
We're just looking for some really mellow stuff. It's our first time off, so pretty mellow?
Yeah. You take the road, you take the main road, yeah.
Okay.
That'll take you all the way back to the gas plant.
Yeah, is it pretty wide like this the whole way, or is it? Okay, perfect.
And over there, there's a lot of water.
All right, we'll check it out. Thanks, guys.
Okay.
Appreciate it. All right, guys. We both had to air down a bit, so now we're ready to go. All right, let's roll. We started off with like a wide open track here, guys, just to get a kind of a feel for the place. Off-road, or stay here. All right, we're going in, man. Oh man, it's really washed out, huh? Whoa, look at this section. Oh guys, we're already into the mud, the ruts. That's some washout, man. Look at that. I ain't going through that. I'm gonna put my mirrors on, I think, a little bit. I'm not used to it. This is my first time off-road, man. It's pretty, it's fun. It's kind of like, oh, as well. Yeah, it's a lot of flooding, huh? Do you want to head back? Do you want to go back out? Okay, yeah, just because we don't know where this is going. I don't know how deep it goes. Okay, I'll go a bit more in and then we'll see where it goes. If it gets more worse than this, I'm going back. Oh man, I think I'm good. This is intense, guys, for our first. Let's go, because I'm not. Can you see my boot? It's like it's covered, man. Sorry guys, I'm not standing up too much because my first time off-road and I'm all over the place. I'm standing up a little bit, but this is pretty gnarly for me for my first time off-road. And when you're dealing with that type of stuff. I'm quiet, guys. Gotta focus, man. Oh, this is awesome, guys. This is so much fun, man. This is what this bike is all about, man. Getting it off-road. I know you guys are probably going to be screaming, saying, why is he not standing? Well, guys, because I'm not that experienced yet to stand on technical stuff like this. All right. And we're out. Woo! That was awesome, man. that was fun, man.
Video?
Yeah, it's rolling still. Oh man, that was fun. I ain't gonna lie, that was a lot of fun.
Well, at least we know it was a good trail.
Yeah. All right, let's go down this further and see where we go. Woo, guys, this is so much fun, man. Now we're back on some gravel. Yeah, Chewy's handling it good, man. The suspension is sucking stuff up. That's for sure. All right, let's try this, guys. All right. The first time I went up the side of a hill there. Oh, guys, this is excellent. I know we're on a kind of a gravel road here, and we went off-road that one section, but the thing is, we don't have a map, man. We didn't really prepare, so we can't go too deep, at least on this trip anyways. We'll get a map and then come back and check it out. Oh yeah, finally I get to really test this bike out, man. Standing is still not right, guys. The rising of the suspension definitely threw off my ergonomics in the bike. I think I'm gonna have to dial in a few things. When I stand up, I used to be able to hug the tank a little bit better with the new handlebars, but now I'm sitting a little bit above the handlebars, so it's kind of throwing it off a little bit. But that's what the ride's all about: test the suspension and test how the bike's feeling, right? The suspension just sucked that hole up, man. What's that? Yeah, it's good, man. I'm hitting the ruts and stuff deliberately because I want to see what happens, and it's just sucking everything up. It's nice. Before I used to like kind of pogo stick, you know. Yeah, some of these ruts are pretty deep, man, from the ATVs, and I got caught in them a couple times, and then I can't get myself out of them. I try to climb out of them, and then the wheel hits it at a weird angle. Look at these. You guys can't see how steep some of these hills are. They're like pretty steep, man. I mean, you couldn't ask for a better day to get out here, though, guys. I mean, look at this. Yeah, there's been so much rain, man, and with the ATVs and everything, it's just kind of all washed out. Now we got to get our way back out here. On the way in here, it was like all the wiring and stuff in here. All right, guys, we're going to air our tires back up, And we're going to call it a day, man. It was a lot of fun. Turn off the bike and got to check out some different areas. Definitely suspension is really dialed in, man. So far, I'll definitely have to adjust it to my, the sag to my weight and things like that. But for what I experienced, is freaking awesome. Yeah, definitely have to come out here again and try some more different trails. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care, everyone. Bye for now.